Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are going to be taking a look at Crypto.com coin. What could send it to the moon? Is now a good time to get in? What's been happening with the price in the crypto markets, and much more. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so please don't make any decisions based on what I say. But as we can see, in the last day, Crypto.com has fallen about 5% from around $0.1 all the way down to where it currently sits at $0.9435. It's currently on a slight upward trend, and in the last month is full of Bitcoin roughly and slowly sailed down in terms of price. Now, as Warren Buffett once said, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. So what that quote implies is that, always essentially be careful of the hype and the pump and dumps. Crypto pump and dump a lot. And as we can see, CRO coin has before the crypto pump in the start of 2021, it has been at levels much higher than what it sits at today, back in August 2020 and back in May 2019. And back in May 2019, if you take a look at Friday the 15th of March, where it sat at $0.103. So what I think by this is that Crypto.com hasn't been caught up in the pump and the hype as much as some other coins. So despite not being a financial advisor, personally, when I see that it hasn't massively pumped like some other coins, it gives me a bit more confidence in investing and holding my position that I currently do hold for transparency, because I feel like I never want to invest in a pump. Crypto.com, while it has gone up about 30% since 2020 and 2021, I do feel like it's not pumped as much as some other coins, which is personally, I think, a good sign. We can see that the market cap is about 2 billion and the fully diluted market cap at 2.8 billion. So there's 83% supply in circulation, which again, the circulating supply is quite close to the total supply, the max supply, which I quite like to see when I'm investing. Now, it should also be noted, if you're thinking about getting some Crypto.com coins, probably the best place to do it is the native Crypto.com platform, where you can get CRO coins. That will be linked down in the description below. And if you sign up using my link on the mobile app, you'll get $25 if you stake and get a Ruby Red card. Or if you decide to sign up using my link on the desktop app, if you stake 5,000 CRO, you get $50, I get $50. And if you stake 1,000 CRO, we both get $10. So if you're looking to get some CRO coin and stake it for the longer term, staking is where you get a percentage reward of about 6 to 10%. Return annually for just locking up your coins. Look into it. But if you did want to do this, it comes with some risk, but you may as well sign up using my link. So now that sales pitch is over, but your referral bonus is always a good thing to do, especially if you're going to be doing this stuff anyway. Its market rank is 30th. Its market dominance is 0.2%, really 0.19%. And this market rank has really kind of slowly been going up as all of these other coins have been crashing. They're a lot more volatile, some of these other altcoins. We can see the trading volume's up 60 to 65 million. That is up 33%, which is quite high. And again, what is Crypto.com? So Crypto.com and CRO coin. The CRO coin powers the Crypto.com exchange, where you can buy and sell crypto. There's an NFT marketplace. There's a crypto earn scheme. There's a crypto pay scheme. And there's so many different things that you can do with the crypto on the Crypto.com exchange and with CRO coin. Now, the CRO coin is what's used to pay fees. It's what's used natively within the Crypto.com ecosystem. They sponsor Formula One, Aston Martin. And essentially, the thing that's going to send Crypto.com to the moon is everybody starts using this exchange. Everybody starts getting the Visa cards, where you can get cash back on your daily purchases on, stuff in Tesco, free Spotify, and all these other things, depending what you stake. It's a decentralized company in many senses. It's really looking to bridge the gap between, crypto and mainstream payment systems. And, as you can see here, users can earn interest by staking of 10 to 12%. Which I think is quite good, to be honest. And let's take a look at the Crypto.com website. So it claims to be the fastest growing crypto app, which obviously the higher demand for CRO coin will come with the more people on the Crypto.com exchange. Therefore, the higher demand, assuming supply stays the same, economics would suggest the price is going up. So it is a good sign that this app is growing. Then how fast is it growing? I don't know. And can it compete with Binance? and KuCoin. Them two seem to be prime exchanges. But I think there's room for all of them because Crypto.com seems to be a more user-friendly exchange. So while I think only reason I have Crypto.com is for this Visa card right here, which I talked about. You can sign up and use my referral link to get it in the description if you think it's a good time to get it. But you can stake Crypto.com, CRO coin, and get all of these rewards, 2% cashback, Netflix, free if you get the 3% one. You can get free Amazon Prime if you get the Obsidian Airport private jet membership. So there's lots of perks, and that is the reason why I've got Crypto.com and CRO coin. So whilst I believe that Binance and the likes of KuCoin are better exchanges, the reason why I personally hold CRO coin is because I think that the coin, as the crypto ecosystem grows, will grow. I think it hasn't been massively pumped up like some of the other coins. And I think while they're a first mover in staking coins to get a Ruby Red and Upward Visa card, that will provide them lots of benefits going forward because lots of CROs are going to be locked in. People are going to have these Crypto.com cards. And whilst there is going to be competition from Binance and many other people, right now Crypto.com are first. But then again, I do think that Crypto.com have to have more pairs, they have to publicize more and get a lot more users to be growing faster going forward. And again, can they compete with Binance? You know, it's a tough one. I don't think that they can at the moment, and I don't think they'll ever be as big as Binance, but I do see some room for growth with the Crypto.com coin, CRO coin, and I love their NFT marketplace and their Visa card marketplace. So again, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything you say, anything you do should not be based on what I say. Obviously, there's some other... Let's take a look at what the internet says about CRO coin. The bears are still in charge. Investing Cube talks about how it's fallen down again. Yes, it is slowly falling down. Invez talks about this is why I'm buying CRO coin this week. I guess probably the same reasons it hasn't pumped, and they've got so many more crypto users, and I guess you kind of expect the Crypto.com price to go up the more crypto users there are, and if they've got more users than 2020, you'd expect the price to be higher than in 2020, but at certain points the price in 2020 was higher. We can see that the price prediction and the volume for Crypto.com has fallen over the last 2 weeks, and then again we can see comparisons between Crypto.com and Coinbase. We can see, is crypto interest account legit, safe and worth it? So we can see that there's really mixed opinions. So it's all about going to be doing your own research into what has happened. And Altcoin Buzz is quite a good site to look at because sometimes they post quite informative articles. And I think, again, the fact that Crypto.com's been around for a while, they're consistently developing their crypto. I think if the Bitcoin price grows, because Crypto.com price, as we can see here, if you take a look at the 1-day chart, is heavily correlated with Bitcoin. And I think as long as the Crypto.com and the crypto ecosystem grows, so will... as long as Bitcoin grows, so will Crypto.com. And that would generally bode a good sign for investors. So it's all about if you believe in crypto in general, I think, when it comes to investing. There's no chart pattern you want to look at. Do you believe in crypto going forward? And I think, if you do, then you can't go wrong by investing in the exchange. Many people like Goldman Sachs think that, long-term, or was it Morgan Stanley, long-term Bitcoin price is going to go up, but short-term it could go down. So again, I've told you what I think about Crypto.com. I've told you the things that could send it to the moon, the current situation, the current, downside to it in terms of the exchange, Bitcoin falling and so on, Binance competition. So it's all about what you want to do. But remember, if you want to sign up, use my link down below. Let me know what you think of Crypto.com, and I'll thank you for watching. I'll catch you again very soon.